just upgraded to this disc brakes. It's the same caliper, TRP, but I switched out this TRP disc, which is actually a really good disc, a very good stopping power for a 180 mil, and put on this red red something. It's not really red, but it comes in red package. Anyway, it was a good price on them, and I attached them with this Galfer adapter. And listen to this. I just centered it. It's the first time I'm doing this. So I put it upside down first, and I wish I had that on film. I would surely look like a clown, but now I surely have stopping power, and the reason I'm doing this is connected to this bike. That's a shit bike. I would never recommend anyone to buy this bike. I'm not gonna say the brand of it. Even most of you out there probably know this bike. I put on a rental fat bar. I really love that stem. And this shit bike came without a dropper. So I bought this Pro dropper from Shimano, I believe, and it has a trigger, a thumb trigger, pushing straight down. Sorry, it's a little dark here. Anyway, this video was about to be about this GT. It's coming some other bikes in for honest reviews, long time reviews. So if you're into bicycles and stuff, this is the channel for you. We can like learn together. Yeah, have a nice day and keep shredding those trails.